Today, I will be talking about self-employed taxes. Self-employed people and business owners are responsible for paying self-employment tax. If you are a freelancer, sole proprietorship, Uber driver, contractor, subcontractor, you work for yourself, receive a 1099 miscellaneous. You get the idea. This episode is for you. My name is Josh Albayero, CEO of Ayugo, the creators of Ayugo Tax. Taxes can be complicated, but with the help of technology, filing your taxes can be simple. Don't be afraid. File your taxes online or on your mobile device and say goodbye to confusing tax lingo and upgrade fees. By the way, don't forget to like our page and share this video on your timeline. These federal taxes are typically 15.3% of your business income. Millions of Americans will ultimately owe self-employment taxes. Common types of income that are subject to self-employment taxes are income from home-based businesses. Yes, even the super small companies. Income from freelance work. Income from work as an independent contractor. Most taxpayers are taxed weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly when they receive a paycheck from their employer. Let's look at an example. Angie worked as a restaurant manager and earns a weekly gross pay of $1,000 before taxes. Her weekly tax bill shows $90 in federal income taxes, $62 in Social Security taxes, and $14.50 in Medicare taxes. After deductions, Angie will receive a net paycheck of $833.50. More likely, you already know how to do this math, but what you probably don't know is that Angie's employer is required to match Angie's Social Security and Medicare contributions. Yes, Angie pays 7.65% in combined Social Security and Medicare taxes, and her employer pays the remaining 7.65% for a total of 15.3%. When you are self-employed, you are required to pay both the employee portion of 7.65% and also the employer portion of 7.65% for a total of 15.3%. This is why sometimes it feels like you pay more in taxes as self-employed, because you do. If you had net earnings from self-employment of $400 or more, or earned $108.28 or more as a church employee, the IRS requires that you file Form SE for self-employed with your 1040 to report your income. Here's how it all works. Let's say that your net business income is $53,200. The IRS uses 92.35% of your business income, or $49,143, to calculate your self-employed taxes. You then calculate 15.3% of the $49,143, yielding you $7,517 in self-employed tax. Here's some good news. The IRS will use the equivalent of 50% of your self-employed tax to give you a small break by adjusting your income and lowering your federal taxes, which are calculated before your self-employed taxes. $7,517 times 0.5 equals $3,759. This is your adjustment. Here's how this tax bill will look in the end.
For this example, let's focus on the single filing status. Your business net income is $53,200. You have a self-employed tax adjustment of $3,759, which will reduce your taxable income. You also have a standard deduction of $12,000, which will also reduce your taxable income. So your taxable income is $37,441. And now your income tax due is $4,946, or 13.21% of your taxable income. But remember, you also have self-employment tax due of $7,517 for total taxes due of $11,463.
As always, you won't be doing the math. We will provide the questions, you will submit your answers, and our IRS approved software does the calculations for you. Just like in any tax preparation office, our job is to provide you with the best technology available. Your job is to answer as accurately and honestly as possible. If you have joined the rest of us in the 21st century, you no longer take cabs. You call an Uber from your Uber app on your phone. You also don't go to a tax preparer to prepare your taxes. You do it yourself. Remember, if tax preparers can follow the software steps, so can you. Taxes are simple. Do it yourself. See you next time.